Need to make text more readable or fit in a small space? Adjusting letter spacing in Word can help. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick ways to do it. Let's get started. The quickest way to adjust letter spacing is through Word's built-in spacing presets. Select the text you want to adjust. Open the font dialog box. Click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the font section. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Character Spacing, adjust spacing expanded, increases letter spacing. Enter a custom spacing value, 1.2 point, for precision. Click OK to apply changes. Condensed reduces letter spacing. If your text looks too wide or compressed, you can adjust the proportional width of characters using Scale. Select the text to modify. Open the font dialog box, Ctrl+D. Go to the Advanced tab, find Scale. Increase scale above 100% to widen letters. Reduce scale below 100% to compress text. Click OK to apply the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust letter spacing in Microsoft Word with just a few clicks. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more Word tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.